Good day po sir. Question ko is, after 1 year of ownership, how was the electronic parking brake? Any issues po? So sige, Yaz 3482, shoutout sa'yo, sagutin natin. So as you guys know, we just uploaded our Toyota Veloz after 1 year honest ownership review. It's now up on the channel. You can easily find it on the playlist tab, Veloz ownership playlist. Go ahead, if you haven't watched it yet, go ahead and watch it. So with regards to the electronic parking brake, so there you go. As you can see, okay, it has this sound. Yan. So medyo maninibago ka talaga if you're someone coming from that traditional na handbrake, no? So far, that was also one of the worries that I had buying this car. And yun nga, kasi parang feeling mo talaga mas safer pa rin yung handbrake na traditional, diba? But after 1 year, thankfully, still very tactile, very firm pa rin, very solid pa rin naman yung paramdam niya. At the same time, for those na nag-aalangan, I can say that this technology, electronic parking brake, has been used for a lot of years now, kumbaga. So if there are issues, it could have been solved or fixed already by most manufacturers. And yan, thankfully hindi pa naman nagkaka-problema. And then ownership experience with a car with electronic parking brakes is, I can say, it's also very convenient. And like I mentioned on our video about Veloz being a perfect choice for lady drivers, I can say that it's also a factor na pindot ka na lang, hindi na kailangan ng like you know, you don't have to exert that much force. But you know, as a car guy, medyo nakakamiss yung parking brake na traditional. But comfort, it's really very convenient. So yan, para dun sa mga nag-aalangan, it's not a problem at all para sa akin. And pa, Toyota pa yan. So if you wanna know more about the Toyota Veloz, again, check out my Toyota Veloz ownership playlist, or other 7-seaters meron din tayo. So sana nakatulong, follow for more.